All right, hi guys, I'm Dave with Chill Squad Air Conditioning and Crystal Clear Water. We're going to start off, we're putting in a lifetime warranty water heater for this gentleman. Lifetime warranty, parts and labor. Water heaters rust out all the time. This one will not. It's got a lifetime warranty. Plastic Schedule 80. Very nice, all right? So what we did, this customer called us and complained about he was having smelly water issues, things like that with his water, and also high electric bill. So what we did is we came over here to his house, and he was having all sorts of issues with his AC unit that, would just kept running and running and running, and because he keeps it at 75. I mean, during the day and 72 at night, and his electric bill is crazy. So we came over here for his air and his water, and we installed this high efficiency 20 SEER unit, okay, or one of our inverter units. Now look at this thing. Can you hear me talking? Oh, hello. This thing is amazing. I can have a full conversation right here, and and they have it right now in 72. It's cool in the house. This is full blast. All right. So his electric bill now is $190. $190 compared to $350. Amazing. All right. You too can save that. Give us a call. All right. So also what we did is we installed a sulfur filter, softener, platinum package, lifetime warranty, parts and labor. Okay. It's got an ultraviolet light to kill bacteria, Cryptosporidium, Giardia, hepatitis A. So it keeps your family safe from any bacteria. All right. So you don't have to worry about that. Salt tank, ballast. It's got a bigger than normal pressure tank, and it's got a chemical solution tank to keep the sulfur filter nice and clean, so it doesn't get that sulfur bacteria inside there. All right. So guys, you having a problem with your AC? You got smelly water? You have a problem with your water heater? Air purification, water purification, we do it all. Matter of fact, we got a happy customer. 239-256-COOL, 239-424-8444. Have yourself a good day.